Hello YouTube! Welcome back to welcome back to my burping videos. How much of you guys miss me? Scale 1 to 10, tell me in the comments. Just joking. My ears are still ringing from the last video. Well, if I upload this video first, I will upload the video that is making my ears ring right now. Okay, so burping video, let's go. Okay. Somebody call 911. Somebody fell his head on the dance floor. Okay, just kidding. I didn't know what happened like that. So, big burps. I am making a burping video. I feel like I'm not talking enough. Okay, there. I talked enough. Drinking and talking and eating a lot really makes you burp better. Especially when you talk fast. Like when you're in an auction. Oh god, let's start the auctioning. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh. Excuse me. Let's continue the auction. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Bless my holy burp. Okay, I'm good. Where were we? 10, 15, 20, 25. Oh! Bless my old heart. And then someone comes to mind and says, "Sir, if you burp one more time, I'm taking your place and starting the auction." Oh, don't worry, it won't happen again. 5, 10, 15. And then he has a heart attack and dies. And then the guy's like, never mind, I won't take your place. The auction's over. Wait. There's just one. At least I'm not going to be as rude as he is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You heard nothing. Kill him! Okay. I have to shit. Okay, YouTube. 5 more burps. One. 2. 3. 'That doesn't count as 1. 4. 1 more. 1 more. In your face. I can do better than that. What are you talking about? Okay. YouTube. I'm sorry to say, this is the end of my burping videos. I'm leaving now. There will not be a return. Apparently I can't even stab myself right. Alright, I'm just kidding. There's more videos where this came from. If you like this video, click that like button down there and subscribe and check out more videos I've done on my channel. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Peace out. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I wasn't into the burping very much today. It was because in one of my videos I did, or I'm going to upload that you may not have seen yet, I did a challenge. I tried to see how long I could resist this. That's why I'm not in the mood for burping today. But you did get a burping video. It just made it felt a little gloomy. But that was why. So, if you like this video, hit that like button down there and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy other videos on my channel. Peace out. Have a happy day. Oh, and I almost forgot about my friend. Bye-bye.